Good morning, guys. My name is Tony, and it's a nice Sunday morning. I'm getting ready to attack a code I've had in my car for quite some time. It's a P2293. This has been going on since I tuned it with full vault on. Let me get you a list of what I have in my car right now. So right now I have a hybrid K4 from HBA Motorsports. I have a big intercooler from eBay. I have RS4 injectors and crack valve. I have a K&N Typhoon folder intake, integrated engineering catch can. I have a CTS turbo valve cover, one-step holder, plugs, gap at 27, and the Precision Raceworks Stage 2 fuel pump. The code P2293 relates to fuel, and the description stands for fuel pressure regulated to performance. I already replaced the high pressure fuel pump because the cam follower got destroyed and the fuel pump itself got destroyed. So in today's video, I'll be replacing my intake camshaft and the chain and tensioner. So let's get to it. This is what happened to my old fuel pump. There you go, you can compare them right there. This one already had the upgraded fuel pump internals, and it just got destroyed. Alright guys, here you can see how the camshaft is worn out. It's really, really bad. It's got scorings here. Got a little bit of slack on the chain. I got a new one. Alright, so I'm gonna set it in time so I can pull the camshaft. As you can see, I already got the valve cover off, and I can see the scorings on the lobe right there. Yep, that's where my code is coming from. So I have a new intake camshaft. Let me go get it so you guys can see it. Sorry, I'm one-handed. Okay, so here it is. It was it's an eBay camshaft, like $90. It's nothing fancy. Let me pull it out. All right, guys, I'm back. So here it is. Manual intake camshaft. Hopefully it doesn't break. I also have this is the socket to pull. I'm gonna set everything here so we can see differences. What I'm about to replace today. Right, so I bought this timing chain kit. What I did was I swapped all the plastics and the springs to the original one that the car had. Here I have a new chain. It seems a little bit stretched, but the main issue here is this right here. I set them up the same so y'all can see. There you go. This side is totally worn out right up here. This is the new one. It's nice and pointy. We got scorings on it right there. And let's see how good this is. Hopefully I can get it running today and make a small point of view of the car with the tune that I can't use because of this issue. I've had fueling issue. I went to the drag strip. The car just bogged full of fuel because the PCM commanded a lot of fuel, and it didn't do anything. I just stalled for like 2-3 seconds, and at the end I was just not happy with the results. So I decided to go ahead and replace all this today and do a test drive. Sorry about that, guys. the GoPro shut off. So I'll just keep cleaning this. Oh, I got some scoring here. I guess I have to order a new one sometime. That sucks. Well, gotta keep going. Everything is back together. Alright, let's get the cable. Get this in here. Bing bong. Let me see. All right, let's tune this. He's looking at me. All right, let's go, guys. Let's start this bitch up. For now, everything is good.
Así. Pero tiene que sonar así. ¿Tú la vas a dar?